How to delete Candy Crush account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will see how we can delete Candy Crush account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Candy Crush application in your mobile device. And if you're already logged in, now if you want to delete your account, navigate to the settings icon at the bottom left corner, tap on it. From this pop-up box, tap on the question mark icon on this pop-up box that you will find at the middle. Once you are taken in the space that is the help center of Candy Crush, tap on the search bar that says how can we help. Now type in delete. Then search for it. From these options or from this related topics, navigate to the fourth option that is how do I delete my player account. Then tap on it. Here you will find all of the information regarding your account deletion. If you want to read it, scroll through it and you can go through it. If not, scroll all the way to the end. There is a button as delete my account. Tap on that button. Now, you'll be taken in this page. First of all, you have to enter your email. Make sure that it's correct. Then enter your full name. Here it says, I understand that I am requesting to permanently delete my account. So here you have to tap on delete my account. Once you do that, you will receive an email from Candy Crush. So open up your Gmail. Make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you have used here on the Candy Crush. After that, on your inbox, you will find an email from Candy Crush. You have to open up that email, and now there you will find all of the information regarding your account deletion and also the confirmation button to delete your account. So from there, delete your or confirm your deletion, and once you do that, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.